Morning students, we are continuing exercise 3A. Last time we did from question number 1 to question number 6. Today we will start question number 7. Question number 7 is arrange the following decimals in ascending order and descending order. Question 7 first part. Question is 3.06, 0.08, 3.800, 2.006, 2.3, 3.082. Ascending order is ascending order means from small to big, from these numbers which is the smallest number. First you see the number before decimal is 3, 0, 3, 2, 2, 3. So from these numbers before the decimal, 0 is the smallest. So this is the smallest number, 0.08. Now this is gone. From remaining numbers, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3. 2 is small. Now 2.006 and this is 2.3. After decimal here is 0. After decimal is 3. That means this is small because this has 0 here and this has 3. 3 is bigger than 0. So this is the next after that. 2.006, then 2.3. Okay, now from these 3, 3, 3. 3.0 this is 3.8, this is also 3.0. Now from these two, which is small, this is the next second decimal place is 6, second decimal place is 8, so this is big, that means this is small. So write this number now, 3.06. Now next is 3.082 and this is the last one, 3.8. I will repeat how you find in decimal smallest. First you will see the number before decimal point. 0 is the smallest, so write first the number with 0. Then you see before decimal point is 2, 2. From these two numbers, now see the number after decimal point is 0. After decimal point is 3, so 0 is small. Next is 2.3. Now from these three numbers, they all have same number 3 before decimal point. So next, see the next number is 0. This is also 0. From these two, which is small, see the next number down. This is 6 and 8. 6 is small, so write first 6, then 8, then 3.8. Now descending order is, once you write the ascending order, descending order will be right from the biggest to smallest. So this sequence, right from here, that is descending order. This is biggest, then write 3.0, then write 3.06, then write 2.3, then write 2.006, then write 0.08. From this side you will write all these numbers in descending order. Second part of this question will be your homework. Next question is question number 8. Write the place value of 4 in each decimal fraction. The first one is 3.004. The question says find the place value of 4. The place value of this is 10th, this is 100th, this is 1000th. So what is the place value of 4 here? The place value of 4 is 4000th. So write here 4000th. Second one, 2.046. This is 1 by 10, that is 10th. This is 100th. So place value of 4 is 100th. So it is 400th. 400th. The next two parts are your homework. Okay, this one and this one. This is going to be your homework. Write the place value of 4. Next is find the sum. Question number 9. First part. Sum means you have to add it. 7.08 and 26.85. Now listen how you will solve it. Write 7.08, the first decimal number. Below this, write the next decimal number. When you write the decimal point should be under decimal point. Before decimal point is 26, so 26 will be like this, 2 will be here, 6 will be under 7, because I have to keep decimal under decimal. 26.85, so write 26 point under point 85. Now we will add it. 8 plus 5 13, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 6 13, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 33.93.
Go.
The next question is question number 3, 38.09 and 56.4. In the same way, you will write first 38.09, 56, see decimal is under decimal, 0.4. If there is no number, you can write here 0. When you add 0 in the end, it does not change the number. Now we will plus it. 9 plus 0 is 9, 0 plus 4 is 4, 8 plus 6 is 14, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 plus 5 9. So answer is 94.49. The next question is question number 9, sixth part, 28.42, 36.03 and 60.65. So write these numbers: 28.42, 36.03, 60.65. Now you add 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, so 0 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 6 11, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12. So this is your answer, 125.10. Next question is question number 10, subtract. First is 263.363 from 500.1. Question number 10, the first part, subtract. Now this number which is after from, you will write first. 500.1, 263.363. The question is we have to subtract. You can add zeros here if there are no numbers. We cannot do 0 minus 3, so we will take carry from here. This becomes 0. Here becomes 10. When I take carry, it becomes 9, and here becomes 10. 10 minus 3 7. 9 minus 6 3. Now 0 minus 3 I cannot do, so I'll take carry from here. This becomes 4. This becomes 10. When I take carry, becomes 9. This also, when I take carry, becomes 9, and this becomes 10. 10 minus 3 7. 9 minus 3 6. 9 minus 6 3. 4 minus 2 2. So answer is 236.737. Let's take another question. Second part, 3.83 from 25.07. First write the number after from, because from this number we have to subtract. So I will write second number first. The number after from you will write first. Now see, this is 3.83. Don't write 3 under 2. If I write 3 here, then decimal will come here. But I told you decimal point should be under the decimal point. So I will write 3 this place. 3.83. This place I can just put 0. Whichever place is empty, just put 0. Subtract it. 7 minus 3, 4. Since I cannot do 0 minus it, I take carry. Here is 4. Here becomes 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. So answer is 21.24. The fifth part, 12.29 from 51.4. So first write 51.4, then you will write 12.29. This empty place, add 0. Minus. Take carry, it becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. When you do carry, it became 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Take carry, it becomes 11 minus 2, 9. And because you took carry, it became 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 39.11. Next question is question number 11. Sameer bought 2.315 kg of potatoes, 4.257 kg of onions, and 1.855 kg of tomatoes. How much vegetable did he buy? So let us find out how many potatoes did he buy. Potatoes bought is equal to 2.315 kg. Then onions bought is equal to 4.257 kg. Tomatoes bought is equal to 1.855 kg. So question is, how much is the total quantity of vegetables? To find total vegetables is equal to, we will add them, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 8, 14, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. So this is the total vegetable. You have to add them. The 12th question will be your homework. Amar had rupees this much. He bought a book for this much. How much is left? How much is left? You will have to subtract from total money, subtract the price of the book. You will get how much money is left with him. So from question number 7 to question number 12, you will copy down all the questions which I have solved for you, and the remaining questions which I have not done from 7 to 12, they are your homework. So don't leave any question. Always the questions I do, you will copy in your maths copy, and the questions that I don't do are your homework always. Remember that. So that's all for today. Have a good day.